Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can type the custom name in place of the Google while visiting google.com. So for this we will be going to Chrome and typing Chrome Store. After typing the Chrome Store, just go to the Chrome extensions and you have to type this extension name and you should add it to the Chrome. After adding it to the Chrome as an extension, open it and ensure that extension is enabled. As in my case, it is already enabled. So the next step is go to manage extension, and so next step is in place of Google we will be putting now the custom name whatever we want. Just click on the extension and type the name. In my scenario I will be typing my channel name and show. So as you can see, my channel name is being showed.